Hello, my fridge was making that irritating beep 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 sound even when the door was shut. It's a warning that the door was open. So I googled what was wrong and they kept saying the seal's broken, you need a new seal. So I ordered a new seal. They sent the wrong one, so I sent it back. But while I was fiddling around trying to see why the seal didn't fit, I came across this. That is the door close light, and if I can get it in here, that is where it rubs against, and there's a dink in there. It's actually made a hole in that piece of plastic here, just here. You can't really see it that well, it's a bit out of focus. So to fix that, this is a piece of foam, bit of sellotape. This is very much a bit of a bodge at the moment, but I closed it up, stops it rubbing, and it's fixed the problem straight away. No more beep beep sound. So if your fridge is making a beep beep, your door's closed and you're looking at buying a new seal for £50+, have a look at that first, make sure it hasn't dented the little part where it closes, and do what I did, put a piece of plastic over it and see what happens.